Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to get Ton Wallet, how to set up your wallet, and so on and so forth in this video. So what is Ton? Ton is the open network, which is pretty much by Telegram. Telegram, which is the online messaging platform that has now gotten into trading and selling and all those things. So as you can see here, to start using Ton, you need to have a wallet. It's an app that will hold your Ton coins and help you to interact with other apps inside the network. So what are Ton coins? Ton coins are the cryptocurrency of Telegram, and as you can see here, at this moment it is a bit down. It's $635 at the moment, but you know it seems to fare well a bit. It did have a spike over here where it was nearly $7, but as you can see, the drop off isn't really that steep. So as you can see here, the market cap, well, we're at CoinGecko. You can just look at all of these information by yourself, but this is pretty much Telegram's cryptocurrency, right? So you can get Ton Wallet on your Chrome as an extension. As you can see, we are in a Chrome web store. You can just add a Chrome extension and use it in your Chrome web store, and then after that, you can also use this on mobile. You can take it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and as you can see here, Ton Keeper is the easiest way to store, send, and receive Ton coin on the open network, or Ton, right? Which is a powerful new blockchain that offers unprecedented transaction speeds and throughout, while offering a robust programming environment for smart communicate contract applications. So as you can see here, this is what it's going to look like on your mobile. Ton Keeper is pretty much Ton Wallet. It's just a snazzy, cool mobile app name for Ton Wallet. This is going to be what it's going to look like. As you can see here, there you go. Now, how do you get Ton Wallet? The first one is you go to their website, or just go to wallet.ton.org, the website, and click on create my wallet. And here it's going to say, congratulations, your Ton Wallet has just been created. Only you can control it. Click continue. And as you can see here, 24 secret words. Use the secret words to restore access to your wallet. So make sure that you screenshot that. Click continue. If you're done, you don't have enough time to write these words, I'm sure, you know. And you're gonna be able to pretty much just create those words. Tag session 20. So let's do that. So again, screenshot that, right? Take the screenshot. Make sure you have, you know, everything. So now we're gonna go to our pictures, screenshot. Let's use that. Now it's going to ask for 9, 18, 19. 9 is target, 18 and 19, this sadness. Target, this sadness, which is kind of emo, not gonna lie. Click continue, and then enter a new password. So do that, just, you know, for the sake of this. And you don't want LastPass view my wallet. See your mainnet balance, click receive. So there, this wallet address, right? So there you go, your wallet is created. Now what you want to do next is, all you need to do is do that, which is just type wallet here, and what you want to do is click start, and as you can see, /start. And the next thing you need to do after this pop-up appears is click on open wallet. To launch this web app, you will connect to this website, click launch, and as you can see, a new pop-up will appear. This is going to be your Ton Wallet, and it's easy to buy crypto, send to a friend. You can send it, and convenient to use. Click let's go. Add wallet shortcut to Telegram side menu, click add, of course, click agree, and click continue. After that, wallet shortcuts added attachment. So as you can see here, this is going to be our Ton Wallet now. So there are a few things you can do here. You could earn, wallet earn. You can load up with USDT or other cryptos. As you can see here, Bitcoin, not coin. So you can just have pretty much all the crypto you have. So the primary are USDT, Ton coin, of course, because it is Telegram, and Bitcoin, which is arguably the biggest one, right? So all you get, there are a few things here you can do too. You can have send, add crypto, exchange, P2P market. So send is just click on that. Your wallet is empty. You can send crypto to other Telegram users. You can click add crypto to add cryptocurrency into this wallet. So how do you want to add crypto? You can have a few options: bank card, buy with your bank card or debit card; P2P, buy without intermediaries, kind of like Binance; external wallet, received from another wallet. For example, let's click P2P. It's only available for desktop and mobile versions of Telegram. You're currently using Telegram Web, so you need to install the desktop version. Bank card, of course, you're gonna be using an asset, whether it's dollars, as you can see here, other currencies that are available. So you can just click that and just look if your own currency is available. I would assume that most, if not all, major currencies are here. For Toncoin and Bitcoin, again, same thing. Choose your payment. Again, for some reason, primary is euro, right? And then after that, you can also do exchange once you have currency here. Your wallet is empty again. And then P2P market, again, available only on Telegram that are on the mobile version and the desktop version. So we can't do that right now. And wallet earn is open. So make income from available balance with low requirements and easy setup. So it's kind of like, you know, teeny tiny passive income. So as you can see here, earn Toncoin on USDT up to 50% APY for 2 months. These are available campaigns, right? So it's kind of like side quests to earn a tiny bit more cryptocurrency. Earn Notcoin on Ton, up to 7,000 not in 14 days. So again, you can do these. For example, like click on this. And as you can see, you're going to have more information here. So earn 50% APY on USDT with wallet. So again, these are the information here. Same with this one, right? And you do have a deadline. So again, you can add crypto again using these options. You can also do the exchange, but you do need to have some assets loaded in your wallet. All right, so on the mobile app, it's going to look like this. So as you can see, we already have the wallet, right? Because we did that a bit earlier. And tap on wallet on the bottom left corner of the screen. It's going to ask this. And as you can see here, the wallet is now loading up. And again, for exchange, same thing. It's empty. Bank, P2P, whatever. As you can see, same thing. But to add crypto, now we could actually do this, like bank card, P2P, external wallet. Send. Your wallet is empty again, like what I said. I'm just showing you this to you guys on the mobile app, P2P market. As you can see here, welcome to P2P market. Before on desktop, we can do this. As you can see here, you can sell crypto to other users with low fees, fast transactions, flexible payment methods, and responsible approach. All you need to do is tap on get started, and this is what it's going to look like. Their P2P market. So as you can see here, my ads, notifications, facts, buy and sell. You could have this buy, and you can actually buy crypto and fiat on the market. So as you can see here, euros. You can actually change it. You can actually change the currency. Let's go to US, right? Or is it? So it's not here. Or, you know, BDT, for example, right? So that's what we're going to see, right? If you want to sell, same thing, you know? And yeah, if you have notifications, it's going to be here. There are FAQs that you can have if you're lost in the shuffle. As you can see here, it's loading up. It's a bit slow. And these are all the guides that you need for P2P market. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.